Hey YouTube, this is Facia with Simply Lavish at Home, and I'm going to show you today how I took a few inexpensive items and made this floral hoop backdrop. Check it out. So it starts out with this inexpensive hula hoop from the Dollar Tree, and after I closely inspected it, I realized that that outer covering is just tape and that can easily come off. So I sought and found the end and was able to like slice using the Exacto knife you see in the background there, slice a little bit off and start to pull the tape. It's like just tape, it's sticky tape right off. You can also, if you really look closely, find the seam, and that pulls clean off. So you can see right there is where the seam is. You can start by cutting there. It's an easy place to spot the ends, and you're from there able to pull that right off really quick and easy. If you need help along the way, because it will tear, you can go ahead and use your Exacto knife or a sharp knife like it tore there to continue to pull the rest off. Once I got it all off, I tied some string around it, and that's what I'm going to use to hang them once they're all ready to go. I'm going to use that and I use green because my backdrop is green, and hopefully that'll help disguise the hanging mechanisms. Now I put a little dollop of hot glue to keep the ribbon from fraying, because that's not exactly rope, it's kind of like that soft ribbon you also get from the dollar store, and it has a way of unfraying. So I put a little bit of hot glue at the end. It'll help them stick and keep the knot tight. Here you see I've actually hung the hoops from the ceiling. This is to help me paint them, so I don't have to find a place for them to sit and dry. And I'm actually at my mom's house, spending a little time with them, so I'm doing it in her kitchen. And I just have some gold paint, so you obviously choose the color of paint that you want and get to painting. Now, this took several coats. I don't know if it's because I didn't prime, so I would suggest use prime. And I didn't use pretty expensive paint. I used very inexpensive paint. I would suggest maybe using a primer to do this, or a little bit of paint, but it did take several coats for me to do that. So once I was finished, that is a pool, what do you call those things? Those pool floaty things from the Dollar Tree. And they're really easy to cut and form around the painted hula hoop. And I just used some tape to secure the end, some clear tape. And since I used the purple, I wanted to use purple flowers, I made sure I got the purple hoop. So there I just have a bunch of flowers that I bought from the Dollar Tree in purple. And there I'm snipping them and adding them, really just pushing them into the foam pool noodle. That's the name of it, a pool noodle. And in some spots using some hot glue to attach the flowers to the pool noodle so they don't fall out, because you'll see some of them are going to be on the bottom of the hoop, so I don't want them falling out. So I'm using a little bit of hot glue in order to keep those affixed to the pool noodle. And again, there's no rhyme and reason here. We're just filling in gaps, a whole variety of flowers, and sticking them wherever I desire them to go. And then I have the finished product. You see there, that was the hoop I was just working on, and then you can use whatever configuration that you want. And all of those are dollar store flowers, except for these. These are flowers I bought from Amazon, and I just happen to have to give it a different look. And the backdrop itself is that inexpensive outdoor rug that you can get at the hardware store. It comes in a roll, and I use that as the overall backdrop. So let me know what you think of this project. As always, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and if you have not already, hit the little subscribe button and the bell to let you know every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.